If you're watching this video, you've likely received an email from Quantum Cloud letting you know that your client has finished editing their case information and/or completed a form. In this video, we will show you how to review the changes they've made to the case information. To review the updates your client has made to the case information, you'll first need to log into Quantum Cloud, then click on Collaborate. You'll then see this screen, the Collaborate dashboard. Over here, under Case Information, are some buttons. These allow you to either accept all of the changes your client has made, or alternatively, compare the changes to the information you originally provided. If you click Accept all of the changes that the client has made to their case information will be confirmed and the file will be updated with them. If you don't want to confirm the changes without reviewing them, you can click Compare the Changes instead. When you click Compare the Changes, you'll be able to see each of the changes that your client has made and accept or reject them one by one. Here's how it works when you click Compare the Changes. You'll see this screen, where you can review how the client's information differs from the information you provided. For example, where our original case information had Mrs., the client has updated this to Ms. And where we had street, our client has changed it to road. Where a client altered the information, the original text is crossed through in red, whilst the updated text is shown in green. If you are happy with the changes that the client has made, click the button labelled Accept Changes. Quantum will then prompt you for confirmation before proceeding. Click Accept Changes to confirm. The data in that section will then be identical across both your version and the client's version. You can repeat this process individually on each of the other sections, but in this case, we're going to confirm all remaining sections simultaneously by clicking Accept All. All of the client's changes have now been accepted, and the data in every section is now identical across both our version of the data and the client's version. For more on how to get the most out of Quantum Cloud, such as how to review the forms your client has completed, please watch our other tutorial videos. Or if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Class Legal directly. Thanks for watching.